Day 3 of working on Shane's wrap for his G37, and we got some tools that'll make things so much easier. We got a couple of tools that'll make things so much easier. These are the industrial magnets that hold the wrap up on the car, and I managed to find this, which will fit perfectly with my FRS's new theme. Sweet. See you guys at the garage. Ooh. Oh, it feels so nice when the sun's out. You know, as long as the sun's out, I'm happy. It doesn't feel as cold as it actually is. McDonald's. Progress. Woo-blue! Yalla he you too. Alright. Make things easier. Just quickly roughed out the shape of his rear quarter panel, and instead of wasting a huge square sheet, we're gonna just cut it to shape. What a weird piece. My back. Oh.
You got the arcing sauce? Did you do a close up of the arcing?
I did. Okay. Just kidding. Yo, this should be a cinch.
Yeah, now that we put it aside, it'll be way easier.
Cool. I'm excited. Let's do this. Nice. Crazy. Oh, dude. That is sick. What? It's gonna stand out, man. What are you thinking, man? Wow.
We get a lot of tickets.
It's here.
Fuck that. I'm just getting it as much, yeah. Can you heat this? Yes. Dude, so far so clean. Working down this way is gonna be so much easier. We out here
trying to make my FRS look like a Lexus. I found this gold Toyota badge at my house, so we're gonna throw that on. It matches the gold chrome so perfectly. This was off the Toyota Avalon. So we're gonna hand cut this. Re-3M the back of it, now to just stick it on. Yo, that looks badass. Super clean. All right, so while Shane is still working on the rest of his car, actually he's taking a few pieces upstairs to work on it. Sometimes it's just easier to take off the pieces of the car and work on them in isolation. Also, this method you're able to go behind it and you can tuck more properly. So I'll show you guys what it looks like so far. So Shane's decided to keep some of the plastic wrap on the chrome parts just to protect it, and we'll unveil this when this is back on the ground and the wheels are on and we've done all of the sides. So right now you guys are just getting a small sneak peek. We got my Lexus. Hey. So for the rest of the night, I'm gonna take off some of my pieces and any of the vinyl wrap that's either peeling off or has damage on it, like this. I have no idea how that happened. It's just scratched through the vinyl and it's actually damaged the panel. Whoops. And then also, like, if you look down here, these were caused by parking lot speed bumps. So small minor imperfections like this, I'll just pretty up. So I'm gonna take off any of the pieces that need rewrapping or fixing up, and while they're off, might as well just add more gold accents all over. And we'll get to the rear part eventually. I have an idea for how I'm gonna finish this car. And I actually feel like I need more performance parts. I want to go faster this summer. So still so much work ahead of us, all of us. But good progress so far. Let's finish this up.